Subi has an awful rattle, so we've deemed it down to be these guys. So we're gonna swap all the wheel bearings. Skylar's back there working on the E30. He's hosing it off, and he's gonna be doing the belt on it. Me and Evan are gonna be over here doing the wheel bearings on the Legacy. Frank's here.
What's up, guys? Just installing the strut bar because we're about to go to a meet. Hopefully I can, hopefully my dad lets me, but I'm doing it anyway. Cool. Alright, here we go. The bar itself doesn't look as good as I thought, but the pink accents definitely look nice.
So when we were going to put this ball joint back in, the nut and the threads on the ball joint itself were stripped, and it's too late to go to AutoZone right now, so we're not going to make it to the meet. We're just going to have to pick that up tomorrow, and then we'll finish off tomorrow. So we picked up the new ball joint. We're going to get that replaced, and then we just got the rear off. I'm going to get this wheel bearing put back together, take out that ball joint, and then get the car on the road.